Imagine waking up to see your bank balance grow overnight. The dream of passive income, earning money with minimal ongoing effort. While it sounds magical, the reality is more nuanced. True passive income requires an upfront investment of time, money, or resources. But once established, it can help you achieve financial independence and create lasting wealth. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned without active involvement on a day-to-day basis. A traditional job, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn continuously. Examples include rental properties, dividend stocks, royalties from creative works, and digital products. The ultimate goal? Financial freedom and flexibility. The benefits of passive income. Financial security. Multiple income streams reduce dependence on a single paycheck. Time freedom. Passive income lets you spend more time doing what you love. Wealth building. Reinvesting passive income can accelerate your financial growth. Top passive income ideas. Owning rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. 2. Platforms like Airbnb also allow you to rent out your space short-term for higher returns. Invest in companies that pay dividends. 4. This means you'll receive a portion of the company's profits regularly. Create an ebook. 6. Online course. 7. Or app. 8. Once it's live, these products can generate income indefinitely. Platforms like Prosper. 10. Or Lending Club let you lend money to others. 11. Earning interest on your loans. Promote products online and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. The challenges of passive income. It's not always set it and forget it. Here's why. Upfront work. Real estate requires capital and management. Digital products need market research and quality creation. Risk. Investments can lose value, and market trends may change. Diversifying your passive income sources helps manage risk. Maintenance. Even the most passive sources, like rental income, often need ongoing attention. How to start building passive income. 1. Assess your resources. Start with what you have. 2. Do you have time, money, or specific skills? 3. Choose your strategy. Focus on one area. 4. Whether it's investing in stocks. 5. Real estate. 6. Or creating a digital product. 7. Automate and optimize. Use tools like property managers. 8. Or affiliate platforms to reduce hands-on work. 9. Reinvest earnings. Compound your gains by reinvesting passive income into other opportunities. The truth about earning while you sleep. Passive income isn't instant. It takes time, effort, and patience to establish. However, the payoff is worth it. Imagine reducing financial stress, having the freedom to pursue your passions, or even retiring early, all while your money works for you. Start today. Whether it's a small investment or creating your first product, every step brings you closer to financial freedom. Passive income isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. With the right mindset and consistency, you can truly earn while you sleep.